ating palaging tatandaan. Kailangan din natin iklaro ang lahat. Hindi naman we should just sit back and let the person
Bitaw ka.
continuously at pamamayaan na lang natin
Mauntog ka?
puro kasinungalingan ang sinasabi sa atin. Kailangan din
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Mabuhay. Dandan, alisin mo nga muna kasi yan.
sa tao. Alam mo ba, mula sa kanya, the Lord was working in the heart of King Saul.
Teka, sa ilok ko.
King Saul began to have remorse for what he had done against Israel. And so, there was reconciliation and forgiveness. Mga kapatid, right now, let us reflect on our own life. There might still be some grudges or
Bakit mo?
hatred in our heart against
Yan.
somebody.
Doon.
At gusto natin magsigasin. Let
Bigyan mo
us
na.
surrender it
Para
down.
ano na naman yung kuko niya. Sige.
For
1, 2, 3.
example, first, misconception or rejection by other people